Hello there, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited for the topic of this video because we're going to be talking about becoming a makeup artist. Now, some of you might know I am not officially a makeup artist. All of the techniques, the things that I do here and share with you all are just things that I have actually learned through years of watching YouTube videos, watching professional makeup artists kind of do their craft and teach that way. But I have never actually gone to school to become a certified makeup artist. So a little over a month ago, when Online Makeup Academy approached me and said, "Sharalee, would you be willing to do a video about our school if we give you access to our course and send you our makeup kit?" I said, yes, I would love to do that. So they sent me the makeup kit, which I will talk about in a moment and go through with you. And they also gave me access to their essential makeup course and their advanced makeup course. And at the end, I can technically become a certified makeup artist. So some of you might be thinking, well, do you have to become a certified makeup artist to become a freelance makeup artist and do makeup on other people? No. Technically, I think most states do not even provide any type of specific license to just do makeup on people. It's different than a cosmetology license or an esthetician license. Those are licensed fields. However, to do makeup on another person, you don't need to be certified. However, as I have gotten into this course, I have learned so much about doing makeup on other people and all of the details that you don't necessarily think about when you're doing makeup on yourself. So these courses are so detailed that when you're done, you will know everything you need to know about not only sanitization, how to work in a sanitary way, using the same products on multiple people, but doing it in a way that is completely clean and sanitary, but also how to work on different skin tones, different skin types, ethnicities, how to work with different face shapes, how to do color matching, how the color wheel plays into color correction, and kind of figuring out what colors go well with different eye colors, all of that. So they go through in detail all of those things. They also go through how to set up your makeup kit, all of the essentials you'll need in your kit, how to set up your station when you get to the place where you're going to be doing makeup on somebody. So it's just a lot of information, and a lot of it is stuff that I've just never even thought about. So I personally have been doing the course for the last month. I am about 45% through the essential makeup course. One thing I love about doing this online is I can do it at my own pace. Everything is a video tutorial, and you can go back and watch it as many times as you want. And then depending on whether you pay a lifetime access fee or you do a monthly subscription, it depends on how long you'll have access. But if you do the lifetime access program they offer, you can have access to these videos forever if you want to. So I have enjoyed being able to just in the evening sit on my couch with my laptop, pull out my little notebook and watch videos. And then I have actually completed one of the homework assignments so that I could really speak to how that whole process works. So the one thing that they also offer, in addition to all these video classes and everything, is they also offer video feedback. So when I was first sent my link to access the course, I immediately received a wonderful, sweet little welcome message from my personal tutor. Her name's Alana, and she's so sweet, so beautiful. And she just said, "Hey, Sharalee, I just wanted to introduce myself. I'll be your tutor. Can't wait to work with you." That was it. Now, when I completed my first homework assignment, it did take me several hours to complete because it was 4 different looks I needed to do, but I just had to send pictures, so I didn't have to send video of it, but I sent my pictures in, and within 2 days I had a video response back from my tutor, and she literally sat there with her computer looking at my photos I sent and critiqued them with me on this video. So I appreciated that and thought that was a really great way to have that personal interaction and personal help, but I'm not actually having to physically go to a school every day to do that. So I just feel like in this day and age, I mean, talk about crazy 2020, right? A lot of things have gone online. A lot of schooling has gone online. And I personally never even really thought about how you could do makeup schooling online, but I think Online Makeup Academy has done a great job. I also watch another makeup artist, her name's Shona Scott. She reviewed Online Makeup Academy, and she's been a makeup artist for I think 14 years. She's been to an in-person school, and she verified that everything she saw on Online Makeup Academy, like they taught the same stuff that she was taught. And so that was kind of that final little bit of confirmation that yes, this is the real deal. If you complete the 2 courses, you do receive your certification as a makeup artist. And then they also do provide you postgraduate support to kind of help you get started as a makeup artist. Now, 2 final thoughts before I show you the makeup artistry kit. One is the cost. Now, several years ago, I called a cosmetology school because I was thinking about going, and I just said, hey, can you give me a quote over the phone? Because I just wanted to know if it was something even possible. I was given the complete runaround. They said, oh, we can't give you a quote over the phone. You'll need to fill out paperwork. We do it based on income. And I thought, what? So I was really pleased to see that Online Makeup Academy is not like that. They're fully transparent. You can go on, I think it's on their homepage, click on all their makeup courses, and they have all of their pricing listed out very clearly there. So I really appreciate that. And then the final thing is there's no minimum age requirement to take these courses. So a lot of times if you enroll in a makeup artistry school or a beauty school somewhere, there is a minimum age requirement. A lot of times you have to be at least maybe in 10th grade or 16 to enroll. Sometimes it's 17. So I appreciate that because if you have kind of a young teenage girl who's interested in makeup artistry, this would be a way that she could take some schooling at home, at her own pace, work through it, and by the time she's at an age where she's ready to kind of jump into a career of makeup artistry, she could already have all of the knowledge, the background that she needs, and probably a lot of practice as well. So I thought that was just an added little bit of bonus to make this schooling just even more available to basically anyone who's interested. So now let me take you through the makeup artist kit. This thing is huge. So as I go through it, I'm going to kind of try and speed through it pretty quickly, but you will see that they've provided many brand name products, and overall it's pretty much everything you would need, even brushes, to get you started in doing makeup on other people. They even include several shades of foundation, concealer, all of that. There's a few items as I've been going through the course that I see are missing that you would have to purchase if you're going to be doing makeup on other people. Things like disposable mascara wands, lip wands, those kinds of things. And probably will want to add in a few different colors, maybe of some more bronzer shades, or maybe another eyeshadow palette, but they even include some of those in there as well. So let me take you through that real quickly, and then I'll finish up with my final thoughts. All right, wow, those are some dramatic lashes. Yeah, I'm gonna need some training on those. Cool. Cell phone ring light. All right, we've got the Inglot loose translucent setting powder. Inglot Duraline, which is kind of a mixing medium. Let's see how it feels. Ooh, yeah. Very nice. Ooh, that's a really good quality. Very nice. So this is the Makeup Academy Blush Palette. So they have several items that are their brand. Oh, nice, wow. Yes, that's definitely a range that would work on all skin tones. All right, next we have, ooh, okay, so this is one of 2 eyeshadow palettes. Packaging is actually really pretty. I really like this. All right, let's see the colors. Ooh, they're pretty. All right, so a good mix. Okay, and then one of the most important tools for a makeup artist is one of these palettes. This is, ooh, it's very nice and sturdy, heavyweight metal. There is a metal spatula, and this is how we keep everything sanitary. Okay, so this is the concealer, or the color corrector palette. Oh, these are gonna be fun. So gemstones, yeah, I think this is in the second part of the course. So first of all, oh, a few more brushes. This, I'm just not quite sure. This might be like a touch-up little kit. Okay, this is by Beauty Glazed. And this is big, but it's not huge. But there is a wide range of colors available there. So I'm sure I will get to put all of those colors to use. Let's get all these palettes out. So this is a lip palette. Oh, I haven't seen this yet. Dun, 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 dun. Can we get it? Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Wow. So a lot of options. Oh my goodness. Yep. Wow, this is huge. This is the Blush Contour Highlight Palette. Oh my goodness. I can't even describe how big these pans are. Wow, they are enormous. These are gonna last you a very long time. Wow. The bottom of the box, we have 4 shades of foundation. So basically, this should be enough to mix and match and make any color of foundation you might need. Okay, so just 3 concealers in different tones. And then this is Excessive Lash. Okay, so this is the Makeup Forever mascara. This is a very nice brush from Inglot. This is their gel liner brush. And I believe we have, yes, and then this is the Inglot gel eyeliner. So those are going to be used a lot. Pasto wax. Huh. Okay, so I'm guessing this is going to be for kind of the second part of the course. This is the, when you need to maybe wax out your brows or different things. I don't know, haven't gotten there yet. Let's see here, what's this? Inglot High Gloss. Oh, this is interesting. So this is a clear lip gloss. It's just interesting applicator, but it allows you to put this on your palette and keep it sanitary. All right, then we have this, which is Makeup Fixer by Inglot. Really nice bottle, good amount. All right, and then we have Pro Sculpting Brow Palette. Oh, okay, this will be interesting. This little guy, it's cute. Oh, cool. All right, so 3 powders, and I think this is a clear wax, and then this would be kind of like a concealer you can use to define your brows or to carve out your brows, and a little brush with a spoolie on the end. So, and last but not least, oh, the primer, makeup primer by Makeup Forever. This is their base hydrant, so this is the hydrating primer. So I am super excited to try that too. As you can see, that is quite a lot of product. So overall, I have been really pleased with Online Makeup Academy, and I can't wait to continue learning and continue trying new things out. I have several ladies at church and some friends that have said, you know, they would be willing to let me do some makeup, so I might be bringing them on here and doing some practice sessions here on my channel, so stay tuned for that. But overall, I feel like if you are interested, or you have a granddaughter or daughter, somebody who's interested in becoming a makeup artist, I think this is a great option. Again, because you've got varying options as far as how you pay. And whether you want just monthly subscription or, you know, do a lifetime access and pay it all at once, you've got that wonderful makeup artistry kit to get you going, and then you've got the support along the way. So I just think Online Makeup Academy has done a great job, and I can't wait to see what else I learn. So thank you as always so much for watching. Thank you to Online Makeup Academy for giving me this wonderful privilege to attend your school, and I hope that you all enjoyed this video and have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.